Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 12 Statistics chapter number 2 Linear Correlation. Okay, so in our previous video we had already studied about the types of correlation. Okay, now today we will study the method for calculating linear correlation. So let us move towards the method for calculating correlation. The first method is scatter diagram method. Okay, this scatter diagram method we had already studied in our previous video, like positive correlation, negative correlation, partial positive, partial negative, and unrelated correlation. Okay, and the second method for calculating correlation is Karl-Pearson product moment method, and the third method is Spearman rank correlation method. So today we will study about this Karl-Pearson product moment method. Okay, so there are total 3 formula for calculating Karl-Pearson product moment method. The first formula is R. As you know that the formula, the symbol R means correlation coefficient. Okay, so R is equal to summation x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar upon whole under root summation x minus x bar whole square multiplied by under root y minus y bar whole square. So this is the first formula for calculating Karl-Pearson product moment method. So in this way, total there are 3 formula. Now in which formula is to be used, that I will tell you when I will explain exercise 2.2 first sum. Okay, so let us move. So today we will do the sum related to first formula. Okay, so let us move towards the sum exercise 2.2 question number 1. So let us read the first question in the textbook. Here is the question exercise 2.2. From the following information, obtain the sample of 7 families of the society regarding the heights of father in cm and height of its adult son in cm. Calculate correlation coefficient, and the data is given here. Height of the father in cm in the first row and height of son in cm, that is given in the second row, and we have to calculate the correlation coefficient. Now, as I had explained you, there are total 3 formula for calculating the correlation coefficient. Okay, so which formula is to be put? Let us see the sum. The first 2 column, that is already given in the sum, that is height of father x. This whole column is given in the sum already. Height of the son is also given in the sum. So first 2 column is already, that is given in the sum. After writing the first 2 column, first step we have to find, that is x bar. Okay, now how we will get the x bar? X bar means we have to find the mean. Okay, x bar means mean. So summation x upon n. As you know that we have to plus the column of x. Okay, so we will get 1169. So let us find the summation x is 1169 upon n. N means the number of family that is given in the sum, 7 families. So divided by 7. So our answer will be 167. Okay, now we will find the y bar. Okay, so we have to calculate the column for y. So we will get 1176 upon n, that is 7. So we will get the answer for y bar will be 168. So when the numbers comes in positive, okay, again I am speaking, when the number comes in positive and below 200, then we have to use the first formula for Karl-Pearson product momentum method. this is the first formula. Okay, when the numbers comes in positive and below 200, then we have to use the formula A for first. Okay, so let us do the sum. So first of all, we will write the formula, that is after getting the x bar and y bar. Okay, you will decide that from which formula we have to do the sum. So first of all, write the formula below the sum, that is this one. Okay, now in this formula, observe the first bracket, that is x minus x bar. So we have to make this column x minus x bar, then we will prepare the column y minus y bar, then afterward we will prepare the column x minus x bar whole square, and the last column we will prepare x minus x bar whole square. Okay, and in between we will prepare this 2 multiplication column also. So first of all, we will prepare the column x minus x bar. So here I had made the column, that is x minus x bar. Now x means 170 and x bar is 167. Okay, so from 170, if we will minus 167, we will get 3. Next one, x minus x bar. X means 169 and x bar is our 167. So from 169, we will minus 167, we will get 2. So in this way, we will prepare the column for x minus x bar. Now we will prepare the column for y minus y bar. That means this column. See the formula, y minus y bar. Okay, so again, y means this 172 and y bar means our answer 168. Okay, so 172 minus 168, so we will get the answer 4. Again, 168 minus 168, our answer will be 0. So in this way, we will make y minus y bar. Now let us again observe the formula. We have to multiply this both the bracket, x minus x bar multiply by y minus y bar. So we will make the column, that is x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Okay, we have to multiply this 2 column. So 4 3s are 12, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 0 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, minus minus plus, 1 2s are 2, minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6, minus minus plus. So in this way, we had made the column this, and after calculating this column, we have to add all these number. Now we will prepare the column, that is x minus x bar whole square, because in denominator, see the x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. So we will make the x minus x bar whole square. So here the x minus x bar is here. So we have to do square of 3. 3 square will be 9, 2 square will be 4, 1 square will be 1, 0 square will be 0, minus 1 square will be positive 1. Remember, whenever you do the negative number square, it always comes in positive. Minus 2 square will comes in 4 and minus 3 square will be comes in 9, and we have to calculate all these column. Now the last column is y minus y bar whole square. See, this is our y minus y bar. So we have to do the square of this column. 4 square will be 16, 0 square will be 0, 2 square will be 4, again 0 square will be 0, minus 3 square will be 9. Negative square will always convert into positive. So in this way, we had calculate the last column and add the last column. So now we have calculated all the column related to formula. So let us put the formula and do the sum. So here I had written the formula x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar upon under root x minus x bar whole square multiplied by summation y minus y bar whole square. Okay, see the x minus x bar and y minus y bar, our answer is here. See, we had already multiplied this both column and our answer is 25. See here, I had written x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So here we will put 25. Okay, upon x minus x bar whole square. See, x minus x bar whole square and our answer is 28. So here we will put under root 28 multiply by y minus y bar whole square. See, this is our y minus y bar whole square and our answer is 34. So here we will put under root 34. Now in the next step 25 will remain same. It is in denominator we will first multiply both this number 34 multiply by 28. So our answer will be 952 under root. After this, in the last step we have to taken out the under root square root of 952 on the calculator. So you will get 30.85 and after taking out the under root we will divide this both number. So you will get r equals to 0.81. Okay, r means it is a symbol of correlation coefficient and we have to write the answer like this. Hence the correlation coefficient between the height of father and son is r equals to 0.81. So in this way we had calculated the sum number 1 from exercise 2.2. Okay, now let us do the revision for the again this sum I am repeating. First two column had already given in the sum. After that the third step we have to find the x bar and y bar. After finding this x bar and y bar you will identify that from which formula we have to do the sum. If the number comes in positive and below 200 then we have to go for first formula. Okay, now the fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, eighth step and ninth step. Okay, according to this first formula you have to prepare the column. So hope you understand very well about the first sum. So please subscribe our channel, that is MS Hukani Private Tuition, and also share to the others so that they can take an advantage of this syllabus. Thank you so much.